In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design flyers in Canva step by step. If you want to promote an event, market a business, or create a professional flyer for your store, Canva makes the process much easier than traditional design software. The key is setting things up correctly from the start so your flyer looks polished on screen and sharp when printed. To begin, open Canva and go to the homepage dashboard. In the top right corner, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Flyer, then choose the standard flyer, portrait 8.5 by 11 inches format. This is important because using the proper print size from the beginning helps prevent blurry images, distorted layouts, and poor print quality later on. Starting with the correct document size gives you a clean, high-resolution workspace built for physical printing. Once your flyer canvas opens, the next thing you should do is turn on your guides and margins. Go to the File menu at the top, open View Settings, then enable Show Rulers and Guides and Show Margins. These visual boundaries help you keep text and important design elements away from the edges of the page. That matters because flyers can look crowded or unprofessional when headlines, details, or graphics sit too close to the border. Safe margins make the whole design feel cleaner, more balanced, and easier to read. Now it's time to choose a template. On the left-hand side, open the Design or Templates panel. In the search bar, type a phrase that matches the type of flyer you want to create, such as a modern business flyer, a real estate flyer, or a food event flyer. Browse through the available options and click on the one that best matches your style and purpose. This gives you a strong design foundation, which saves time and helps your flyer look more professional right away. After that, focus on the text. Click into the main headline area of the template and replace the placeholder text with your own title. Keep it short, clear, and attention-grabbing so it stands out immediately. Then use the top formatting toolbar to adjust your fonts. A bold font works well for the main headline, while a clean and readable font is better for supporting details like the date, location, and call to action. Good typography creates a visual hierarchy, which simply means your viewer knows what to read first, second, and third. Before exporting, review everything carefully. Make sure all text stays inside the safe margins, that the design looks clean, and that no placeholder content is left behind. When you're ready, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Change the file type to PDF print, and enable crop marks and bleed for professional printing alignment.